Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you everybody? How is everything?
I'm fine.
Is there anybody absent today or everybody present? What's wrong with Made? So before we start our learning process today, I would like to say thank you very much for your coming, for your attention. And before that, we take a break. And I need someone who want to be volunteer, maybe by helping again. Could you lead your friend to take a break?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Erwin. Okay, before we start our learning process today, we open our meeting by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. I will show you. I will show you share screen today. And okay, everybody. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Before that, who knows what place are these?
Air terjun.
Yes, waterfall. That's nice. Waterfall. And then how about the second picture? How about this?
Rumah adat.
Okay, rumah adat.
Raja adat.
Yeah, another maybe when sometimes we find in Makassar, in Toraja.
Tanah Toraja.
What can we find in Java?
Okay,
Candi, it's the same like maybe. Okay, this is maybe in Java. Okay.
Oh, Borobudur.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you. Okay.
Prambanan.
Okay, from all the picture, the first picture, the second picture, the third picture, there's a waterfall, or we call it Makassar Bantimurung, we call Tongkonang House, and the third picture we call maybe Borobudur. Okay. Can you identify and describe that place? What are these? What are those? It's like
historical place.
Yes, historical place. Sometimes we as a place for tourism place. There are many visitors come from overseas. Okay, from those picture, today what we're going to discuss today? Anyone know?
Description.
Okay, give applause for you. This is very, very important for us. Why? Because English is international language, of course, and to struggle to face the 21st century, we have to learn more, especially English, because English is the way to communicate to someone, not only in our friend, but our friend in overseas. This is our motivation for you, to attract you, to interest you to study English. Okay, the TV only 2 minutes. Be patient, please.
Only sound?
Only sounds, yes. Okay, you have already seen the movie. According to you, what you have already seen, and then of course, you have to know. What do you know from that movie? What you catch from the movie? Is there any idea about what we are going to learn today? And what do you find that?
Buat social function.
Pengertian tadi Pak, definition.
Excellent. Nisa, maybe Nisa, can you show your friend?
Definition,
yeah.
descriptive text, general structure.
Oh, good, excellent. Okay, another students maybe. That's very nice. Thank
Social
you,
function, social functions, yeah.
Yes, thank you, Caroline. And others maybe, could you give us maybe what's wrong, what in the movie? What is in the movie? There is a social function, there is generic structure, and maybe there is a language feature, and then maybe, is there
The
anybody
purpose,
want to?
the purpose of text.
Yeah, definition, the purposes, and then, okay, today we are going to learn that, to know, we are going to emphasize with the writing skill, to know the social function, to know the generic structure, to know the language feature, and then what else? The definition and the purposes. Okay, the first, I will show you mm, our competence, your basic competence to differ between social functions, structure test, and language feature. Yeah, and then some of the descriptive tests in writing, yeah, in verbal, to give and to us the information about tourism place, yeah, seperti itu. Our basic competence. And then what we are going to do, what are the objective that we are going to do for the what we call skill, yeah. This is skill test descriptive, to find the contextual text in social functions, structure test, and language feature, verbal and writing, short and simple, related with historical and tourism place. And the other one, the end, yeah, in the end maybe of our meeting today, the students can arrange or write the descriptive test, verbal or writing, short and simple, related with the tourism and historical place. Okay, this is our competence that you have to master after this meeting. Yeah, for the knowledge. Yeah, you can decide. Yeah, the social function, generic structure, language feature, and related with the tourism place. Yeah, what I mean here, you know the social function in one text, and then the generic structure from one text. For example, identification or description, language feature related with the grammar that we have to know in one text. Okay, the second one is to identify the social function, the generic structure, and language feature, text descriptive related with the historical or tourism place. This is the skill. Yeah, we have to pass it. Okay, this is the aim, our goal to achieve our lesson today. And this is definition. Okay, the definition according what your friends say. Okay, definition of the test is descriptive test is to use give to detail information. The purpose is to propose to describe particular thing. Yeah. In this case, we are going to learn about the public place. The public place here is the historical and tourism place. And what is the social function? Ya, social function is fungsi sosialnya ya. Secara umum biasanya tes deskriptif itu social functionnya itu adalah to describe, to give information to other someone about historical and tourism place. Okay, this is the generic structure ya. Sometimes the generic structure included in the text itu including the first paragraph, the second paragraph. The first paragraph is identification and the second paragraph is description. Okay, this is that we are going to learn today. Yeah. The next maybe I will give you a test and I will ask you to identify the social function, structure test, and language feature. Okay, please pay attention for this. Yeah, using simple present tense. Yeah, this is the grammar. That don't worry to be master grammar. Yeah, but we are going to use it in the test. Yeah, you don't have to memorize this. Okay. Okay, let's see. Petrocap. Do you know where is Petrocap?
Kebumen.
Okay, maybe I need someone to read this test. Maybe would you mind to read the test, Ibu Iin?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try. Petro Cave. Petro Cave is one of the leading tourist attractions in Kebumen, Central Java. The cave is located in the Dukuh.
Thank you, Iin. That's very nice. Yeah. So I ask you, everybody, please pay attention from this test and could you identify the test please from what is the social function, what is the generic structure-nya, maybe, and language feature-nya, and then, okay, where is structure? I mean, where is identification and where is description? Okay, what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are two tests here. I ask you, maybe I give you 5 or 10 minutes to give me the information where is what is the social function, and then what is the generic structure. Okay, next. The next is the language feature. Okay, language features is related to what we have learned ya. Present tense ya. Di mana ada present tense ini? Coba kita cek. Let's check it out. Where is the present tense here? Ya, yang menggunakan present tense yang kalau menggunakan kata kerja ya, menggunakan kata kerja biasanya sometimes subject plus verb one plus object complement. Let's see where if I find. Okay, come on. Let's find. Where is it? Di mana kira-kira di paragraf pertama ada present tense di dalamnya. Ya, baik yang menggunakan to be atau yang menggunakan kata kerja ya. Di sini contohnya ada bisa bikin contoh di paragraf pertama. Where is it? Where is the present tense here?
Petrol Cave is one of the leading tourist attraction in Kebumen, Central
Yes,
Java.
that's very nice. Now we move to the passive voice ya. Passive voice itu yang biasanya apa? Kalian tahu to be tambah kata kerja bentuk ketiga ya. Misalnya for example, the building is built ya. Is built menggunakan kata apa to be lalu selanjutnya kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Coba dicari adakah di situ di paragraf pertama?
The cave is located in the Duku.
Nice. Iya ya. Oke, ini dia jawabannya ya. Ini contohnya yang passive voice, yang menggunakan kata sifat, yang bercetak miring, the yellow one, the ball, the red ball is yang the passive voice ya. And then the adjective one is the green ball ya. Okay, thank you very much. Give applause for you all. Ya, luar biasa kalian ya. You are very amazing, can identify. Okay, who is answer? There is no question. There is no more. Or there is more.
Clear enough.
No, sir.
Now let's see. We are going to try to answer these questions.
Number one.
Okay, number one. Have you finished number one, Caroline?
Yes.
What is the purpose, Caroline? Can you tell your answer,
Purpose
please?
is to inform someone about
That's okay.
historical place.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is the answer, kid. Yeah. so the answer is already come. Okay, yeah. I think it's enough, yeah, today because actually there are two texts that we are going to show you, but we don't have much time to give you. In the end, after this, maybe I will share the Google Classroom. There are material over there. You might open your Google Classroom and you might do your text, your text 3 and text 4. Okay. And before we end our meeting today, I need someone here who can give. We are going to reflection, yeah, reflecting about our material today. What we have learned today. Come on.
We have learned about descriptive text.
Yes. Adjective, very nice. Okay. Okay, today we have already learned about to identify the social function, the generic structure, the language feature in one test. This morning we have already a lot of, from the social function, from generic structure, and language feature from one descriptive test. Okay. Actually, there are two more tests again for you, but we don't have much time because we have only 30 minutes. You might open in the Google Classroom, the test 3 and the test 4. The test 3 about how to arrange, how to write the descriptive test, how to write a descriptive test. You might, if you want to make the descriptive test, maybe you have to know the main idea first, what you want to write down. For example, the word that you want to fill in the one text. For example, you want to describe about the Pantai Losari. What do you know about Pantai Losari? There is a beach, vaccination, awesome, and there is some words, some vocabularies, and then you have to arrange, to be a writing test in descriptive test, Okay, thank you very much for your coming. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry I close our meeting today by saying hamdalah together, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice weekend.